We can also collect historical information and look for changes and trends. For example, we might look at performance data from multiple departments and notice that every group struggles with a similar technology-related issue. Or through benchmarking, we find out that other companies are using a new technology to increase efficiencies, but we don't know anything about this technology yet. We might also look at changes in the industry or a specific occupation to identify other performance gaps that need to be addressed. Unfortunately, because the data often exists outside the training and development system, we rarely have control over its quality. It may be difficult to understand, it may be inaccurate, incomplete, or irrelevant to the bigger picture.